So you're considering replacing your windows. However, pricing could be a big determining factor when it comes to window installation. Let's look at some of the components and some of the factors that play a major role on your overall window estimate price. First of all, it starts with your home. What is the current condition and the structure of your home? What are some of the internal and external applications? Will it be easier during the installation to get to every single window? That obviously plays a factor. Another factor, of course, is the current condition of the windows themselves. Has there been rotting inside of the window? Was there water seepage? These are some of the factors that will also influence the price of the window installation. Now, of course, we cannot overlook the install itself. Will this be a simple retrofit install where a new window is simply placed in the old window frame, or will it be a frame-to-frame install with new components such as brick molding, jamb extensions, casings, and sashes? Those are all extra components that can play a role on your at the end of the day estimate. Now, of course, we come to the windows, the window styles themselves that you select for your home. Some of the windows simply have more features, or some of the windows actually more energy efficient and have higher grade components or additional features. Those windows could be pricier by 10 or 20% more. Now remember, you don't want to go for a company that gives you the cheapest price. You want to make sure that you get your windows installed once in your home. Properly installed windows should last you as much as 25 years, and you want to make sure that the company that you pick will be there at any point in the future if something goes wrong. You want to make sure that the company will be there to honor any of the problems that might arise. Good luck, and I hope you get the right windows for your home.